Hello, John Mack with Pressure Pro, company out of Fort Pierce, Florida. We wholesale pressure washers, and we're going to do a demonstration video on how to use surface cleaners, Whisper Pros. And the first thing I want to do is talk a little bit about some helpful hints on how to use these helpful products properly. The first thing, it's a good idea to wash down your area a little bit, get all the sand off the surface you're cleaning, because the spray bar is aluminum and you're basically sandblasting the spray bar if you got a lot of sand on the surface before you start. Another good idea is to put down some chlorine bleach. Use the chemical injector on your pressure washer, lay down some bleach, and then wait about 10 or 15 minutes. That'll help you speed up your job. We're not even going to do that today. It's not 100% necessary, but it will do a little better job with some bleach on there. A couple other things: if you're using a surface cleaner, eventually you're going to have a problem with your tips clogging. The sand that's in the water or dirt in the water will clog it. Also, dirt spraying up from the surface will clog up these tips. They're very small, half the size of the pressure washer tip. If your machine's using a 4.0, these are 2.0 to get the proper pressure. They also use a 25-degree spray angle. And if you're going to take a very small needle, you're going to probably need the kind of needle they use to clear out welding tips, or you can get a special product that is designed for a pressure washer tip. It looks kind of like a high pressure tip with a cover on it. But you could try doing it that way. If they continue to clog, you might have to take the tip off of the spray bar with a wrench. The important thing is that once you get it unclogged, put a little water through it to knock anything out that might be trapped behind the bar. And then before you put the tip back on, it's important to take that tip, here's your pressure tip, and wrap some Teflon tape around it. Reason for that is you have to line up the slot on the tip with the spray bar, or else it won't get the proper pressure, won't spin the bar at the proper RPM. So put about 3 or 4 wraps of Teflon tape around the tip. Be careful not to cross thread it because this is aluminum. Put the tip in there, and as you tighten it up, make sure that the slot on both tips is lined up with the spray bar. One other thing I wanted to mention: if you continue to have problems, you might have some sand in your well that you're drawing the water from. You can put a high pressure filter in between the swivel on the surface cleaner and the hose. The next thing we're going to do, we're going to start the machine. We're going to clear the area with a gun first, and then we'll use the ball valve, which is another helpful product that we can switch from the gun and wand to the surface cleaner without having to shut the machine off.